Do you want to be a successful affiliate marketer? Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar, and in the 20th over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series, I will tell you three principles to succeed in affiliate marketing. Okay, these three principles not only apply to affiliate marketing but any other business, any other endeavor that you have in your life or any other goal that you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so before I jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on any updates from myself. Okay, so let's jump in. The first principle is right mindset and action. Let me ask you something. You want to become a good footballer, but you keep telling yourself that you are bad at it. You cannot even kick the ball. You cannot even pass the ball. You cannot even run properly. If you say these things to yourself, do you think you will become a better footballer? You will not, right? So, what you feed your mind is extremely important. We always talk about the right diet, but we always ignore the right mindset. So, to cultivate the right mindset, you need to think practically and say things that will encourage you. More often than not, we become our own enemies and we say really discouraging things to ourselves. So stop being discouraging, love yourself and say yourself the right things, feed right things into your mind. So instead of saying discouraging things, say positive things, say things that will boost your confidence. Say, I am bad at football now, but with time and practice, I will become better. Say to yourself, I may not be good at passing the ball right now, but with time, I will get better. We always talk about feeding the right food into the body, but we never talk about feeding the right information into the brain. Okay, so feed things that will encourage you. Okay, I know we are, I don't know what to call it, brainwashed or nurtured, but we are, our default setting, our default thinking is to think towards the negative. Okay, so change your mindset, feed the right things, and gradually you will feel better about yourself. And you need to couple that with the right action. Saying to yourself, I will become the best footballer will not work until you get yourself to work. Okay, feeding the right things to the mind is fine, it is crucial, but you also need to get up and take action towards the things that you want to achieve. If I say I want to become the best public speaker and do nothing about it and read affirmations all the time, it will not make me the best speaker. I also need to take action. I need to enter the playing field. I need to practice. I need to talk to people. I need to really get on that stage. I need to talk to a group of 5 people, 10 people, and then gradually increase the number. Okay. So you need to cultivate the right mindset, but also take the right action. To become the best footballer, you need to exercise, you need to practice, you need to have a good sleep routine. Okay, because look, practicing is fine, but if your body is not supporting your practice, then it's of no use. So to make your body like that of a footballer, you need to exercise, you need to train hard, you need to eat a balanced diet. Okay, you need to sleep well, you need to consume enough water. Okay, you also need to train your body, you need to prepare your body to become the best footballer, isn't it? So couple that with the right action. Now the second principle to succeed is not be cheap on your journey towards greatness. I learned this from my mentor and I want to thank him. When I started affiliate marketing, I invested, I mean, I did not invest, but I started using a free email marketing tool, thinking that I will fool the system. But what happened is I set up a long email chain, that of 180 emails, and after some time my account was terminated due to unknown reasons. And I've not been able to create an account on that platform ever since. So don't be cheap. Cheap products will attract the most customers, but that does not mean it is the best one out there. Invest in quality systems and tools, invest in quality education, invest in quality mentorship. Okay, if you have to become great, don't be cheap. If you are cheap, you will see similar results. Invest in yourself. If you don't invest in yourself, your audience and your prospects will never invest in you. Okay, and talking about investment, you can either invest money or you can invest time. If you invest money, you will get results a bit quicker. Okay, but if you do not want to invest money, you'll have to invest a lot of time. Okay, so don't be cheap, do not take shortcuts, go follow the correct path, follow the correct mentor, and use systems that they say. Don't look for cracked software, don't use torrent. If I don't know if torrent is still available, but don't use cracked software. If you use software, pay for it, right? And the third principle to succeed in affiliate marketing is to provide value. I've seen people, I will not take names, but I've seen people who sell all the time. And if you have come across anyone who sells all the time, you run away from them. So provide value. Yes, I know the aim of affiliate marketing is to make passive income, but provide value to your audience. Be a problem solver. Instead of a product seller, become a problem solver. Shift the spotlight from yourself to your audience. Figure out what they want. Research what, find out the challenges, the desires, the pain points, and their needs. Create content accordingly and provide solutions. Do not sell products, sell solutions. If you see your audience is suffering from something, find a product that will help them to overcome that challenge. Okay, so these are the 3 principles to succeed in affiliate marketing. Number 1, cultivate the right mindset and take the right action. Number 2, don't be cheap on your journey towards greatness. And number 3, provide value. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to make 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, or 3 lakh rupees per month from affiliate marketing? If yes, do you want to sell products that you have to sell once and earn repeatedly? There are products that pay you recurring commissions, which means you have to sell once, and until your customers renew their subscriptions, you will make a commission. If yes, I'd request you to join my community by clicking the link in the episode description. I'll also pin it in the comments box, so it will be the first comment. The link will be in the first comment. Click the link, enroll now, and you will get immediate access to my community. Okay, so that's about this video. We conclude the affiliate marketing T20 series. Recording this T20 series was a thrill for me. I've not recorded 20 videos in a single month, but I did it, so kudos to myself. And if you have learned something, please share your takeaway in the comments box. And if you want to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on anything. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.